Hey, how you guys doing in YouTube? This is Hav the Barber. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Hav the Barber 23. Hav the Barber 23. I do a lot of videos. I post a lot of pictures of my haircuts, services. I do live videos. So I could teach upcoming barbers or any other barbers that want to learn and, get some techniques from me that will make it so much easier. Go check it out. Great page, guys. So I'm doing this video, quick thing. It's very quick video. As you can see, I'm doing a hot towel shave. So a few things that I want to point out on this video are how to properly put a towel on a client's chest, how to shave the client, and pretty much it. So the first thing that you can see before you start doing the shave, you have to recline the client. Once you recline them, make sure that the cape is loose in the back, okay? Once you loosen that cape, you're gonna properly have to put a towel properly in a nice, decent way, which I'm gonna do another video. And then you see I put another white towel on that, and then I put a paper so I could wipe out my blade. Secondly, now when I started doing the shave, I got to go with the grain. Once I go with the grain, the first thing that I do, I stretch the client's skin. So you want to give this client a very clean shave, you have to stretch the skin. That's the first thing that you need to do. So once you stretch the skin, I always go with the grain to knock out that beard. Because if I go against the grain, okay, I'm gonna hurt that client's neck. I'm gonna aggravate his skin, and it's gonna be a very, very bad experience. So for you upcoming barbers, that's the first thing that you need to do. You need to go with the grain. Once you go with the grain, you apply a little bit more hot shaving cream, okay? On that shaving cream, just apply it. Make sure where you're filling the stubs, that's where you know where you need to shave against it. As you can see, I am stretching the skin, stretching it nice. And look, there's no nick on that beard. No nicks. So pretty much I'm almost done with this shave. I did this video very quickly. I just decided to do it very quickly. So what you're gonna see on this video, I'm gonna apply a mask on the client. So this mask, what it's gonna do is, like, if he has any irritation on his face, it's gonna calm it down. At the same time, it's gonna close up his pore. He's gonna feel like a very cold feeling on his skin. That mask it means that it's closing up his pores. So after that, I'm gonna go get a cold towel. The cold towel is to wipe off the mask off his face, and I'm gonna apply it on his face so it could keep closing the pores. And if he has any irritation or his skin is feeling aggravated, it's gonna calm it down. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and subscribe. And believe me, you guys gonna be very happy once you see my page. It's a great page. And enjoy. You have any questions, please feel free. I would love to help you. I would like to mentor you. Just leave it on the comment and I'll get back to you guys, definitely. Also, follow me on Instagram, Hav the Barber 23. Hav the Barber 23, and definitely you guys will be happy with my page. I post a lot of pictures, a lot of videos about haircuts, shaves, the feeling of a luxury barbershop. So check it out. All right.